Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all some more information about this banging ponytail that I have been wearing a lot lately. But to make sure that I do have the name and specs and everything else correctly about it, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I've been wearing the Model ponytail and blunt bang. It's 2 pieces. It's curl iron safe, it's flat iron safe up to 400 degrees. The style name is called YAKY Straight. And the color I'm wearing is OT27. This is what the Kia card is looking like. And this is the model that is on the Kia card. And this is the ponytail with bang when I get it out of its packaging and I, apply it on my head. And let me tell you all, on the packaging it says salon style in a minute. They were not lying. This ponytail and bang have received a lot of compliments from me wearing it. I mean a lot. Be it places that I'm going or in my Instagram posts or my Facebook or whatever. A lot. I love it so much that I purchased it in every other color that it came in. I purchased it in the OT30, which is that right there. I purchased it in the OT530, which is this right here. I purchased it in the number 1, which is this right here. And last but not least, I purchased it in the OT99J. I was not playing when I purchased all these bang and ponytails because it is so worth you dolls picking up and getting. It is 2 separate pieces. I put my hair into a top knot. And just to show you what I mean by I put my hair into a top knot, just take a look at this process right here. Well, dolls, I'm just sharing with you quickly how I place my natural hair into a top knot. But if you want more information on my natural hair care routine, I do have an exclusive playlist which is down in the description box below. Okay, so now that you've seen how I place my natural hair into a top knot, all I did was took the 2 individual pieces, which is I'm going to show you the number 1 color right here. But before I show you this, at least look at this video right here. In that video right here, I'm showing you what it looks like with me wearing it. I had, that's the color number 1, and I posted that on my Instagram, and everyone loved it. Even as much as they love this OT27 color that I'm wearing right here. And another thing I really like about the OT, the gradient colors, is it has the dark roots. See how the bang have a dark root up here, and then it flows down into a nice vibrant color. So let me at least quickly show you what it's looking like out of its packaging before you actually apply it. As I said, you are getting literally 2 separate pieces that look like this right here. You're getting this one, and what I love about the ponytail is it has a large dome. You see this right here? A super large dome where it will fit comfortably on top of your top knot, okay? That's that piece. And then you have the bang right here. And another thing I love about the bang is it has the little snaps. You hear that? Yeah, it has the snaps. These are all working. These are all working snaps, so you can take it and then you can place it on like that right there. And when you add the 2 pieces together, this is exactly what you're going to get. So on that note, dolls, this pretty much just concluded the video. The hair is curl iron safe, flat iron safe. It have a nice YAKY texture. It kind of mimics relaxed hair. It doesn't tangle. It doesn't shed or anything like that when I'm wearing it. And it gives me such a natural, authentic look that it's ridiculous. Everybody has complimented me on this ponytail. And besides, I love going like that. For real, this just concluded the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.